Hey, Wigs. Wow, my forehead looks so big. I love it. Okay. Hey, Wigs. Welcome back to my channel. I feel like I'm too high up. So, as you guys can see, I'm in a whole different setup. I did just move into this apartment like 4 months ago. I'm still trying to figure out the whole like where I want to film my videos. I do want to show you guys the unit. This is the unit that I'm going to be using today. She is blonde, a whole lot different than what we're starting with. So this is a closure, and it does come with this like what you call it, like a faux scalp type of material right here. I'm going to wrap my hair up. I figure this is the perfect time to do a wig because my hair is straight and I don't gotta worry about like flat twisting it or anything like that. I'll brush her out first because I've had this hair for a while. Okay, so little backstory. So I received this hair, I wanna say like around May. So this is, I guess you could say like, this is 2 months worth of shedding. Okay, never mind. I was not expecting that. I forgot all about shedding, to be honest. I forgot that was even a thing. Whew, boy, okay. I think I'm gonna like this. I feel like I'm gonna like this. I'm not gonna lie, I've never tried a blonde wig before, but we shall see. Thank God it's a closure. Love that for us. So she fits off like initial, because I've never even tried this wig on. It fits perfectly. Maybe that's due to my hair being so straight and flat, but she fits perfectly. So I'm gonna just spray down these flyaways. So that way I can see a lot better. Okay, that's a whole lot better, okay. So yeah, I'm gonna place it like right here. That's good. I love this stuff. If you're anything like me and you're not like, you don't like making big commitments when applying your wig, meaning like you don't wanna use glue because that's just too long when your wig's gonna be in your head. This is great and it's stronger than the Got To Be, but if you use these together, sis, she's going nowhere. I've done no customization to this wig at all. This is literally just like a straight out the box and applying it kind of thing. So now if I do need to pluck it, I'll pluck it after I apply it. Like after, you know, I see how it really looks, but it didn't look too bad. So I'm gonna let that dry down for a little bit. I'm gonna go in with this Got To Be spray just to really like melt that down. So I'm gonna take this UNice scarf that they sent me and just tie it down. I'll just let this sit and melt for a little bit and then I'll be back. gonna take 2 concealers, one that's my complexion and one that's just a little bit, maybe like a few shades lighter, mix them together and apply that to the lace. Here we go. Boom. I feel like the edges look a little unrealistic, but that's okay because we're not gonna see her anyways. This looks good. I love it. I like this. Okay. So now I'm going to style this hair. I do want to cut it. I can't even like hold y'all. Y'all look at the lace. It'll look so much better, even more better once I do my makeup. But so far so good. I do want to cut this hair. Maybe I'll just curl it. Or maybe I'll put layers in it. Y'all know me and my layers. I love me some layers, but I will never put layers in my own hair. So when I get wigs, oh baby, we gonna act up. Yeah, let's do some cutting. Or actually, I think I want to do not a bob, but I think I want to cut it. Because layers honestly take up more time. So I'm not gonna cut a lot. I'm really gonna just, where's my hair tie? And right here on my wrist. Okay. I'm not gonna cut it this short. I'm not cutting it this short. I just need to stop it where it's nice and thick. Oh, that's too short. Okay. I'm scared. I'm nervous. Not me being nervous. What's that about? Why am I nervous? Okay. I wanna go a little lower. I'm gonna all right, you know what? I'm gonna cut off this much right now. I still want it to be long. I just don't want it to be, all right. Oh wait, y'all can't. All right, so I'm gonna cut off right here and kind of just like work my way up. All right, so I cut off about this much, which honestly doesn't look like a lot because it's not. Let's see. I want the ends to be like really thick and like real blunt. It's not giving blunt. So maybe I'm trying to get this on as tight as I can and work it down. All right. Oh my God, this is gonna be so messy. This is about the length I think I was going for. Yeah, nice and thick on the ends. That's how I wanted it. Okay. And so now I gotta do the same thing. Like, you see how much fuller the ends look? I love that. I could have evened that out more. All right, are we even? What y'all think? Is this even? I think it's even. It looked even to me, so that's good. I could have definitely cleaned up the ends some more because this is a lot more. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna just put curls in it. I think I'm gonna just curl it. I'm gonna, actually no. I think I'm gonna cut a little bit of layers in the front. And I mean, the hair is actually kind of layered already. Maybe not, okay. So you guys have seen me do layers before. I've never given a tutorial on layers because I don't really know how to cut layers. This is all I do. I twist, right? Twist, twist, and I take a simple, if I ever grab it, a simple eyebrow razor, and I just go like that. This is still not the professional way to do it, but this is how I cut my layers. See it? How it's like layered, just like that. Like y'all see the layer? That's literally all I'm gonna do. I think I wanna do more. Ooh, unless I do. Layered, I'm gonna do another piece. This is literally kind of just me like eyeballing it. I'm gonna try to do another piece and just to like frame my face. So just to do like I guess you could say the outskirts of my face. Like the, here, just here. I'm trying to, yeah. I may have butchered that side. Did I butcher it? Oh, it looks like I just chopped it. I may have butchered that side, but it's okay. I told you I'm not professional, but I may have definitely butchered that side. So, next thing I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna just put some curls in her. And then, all right, babe, so this is pretty much the final look. The curls have dropped because I did my makeup, and one thing I can say that this is not meant to hold a curl because this is straight hair. This is silky straight hair, like this hair is super silky straight. So curls with this hair does not really work, but I love this hair. It's so soft. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. I need some body in this. That's the only thing this thing is missing is body. She don't got body and she need body. This hair is so beautiful, and I think this is a blonde that looks good on anybody. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys might want to see next. I'm trying to get back on YouTube. I've been gone for like a month. I'm thinking about taking a break from wigs because my hair needs to breathe, you know? So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.